Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. The day has just begun. The day has just begun. I like to see your smiling face. I like to see your smiling face. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's go to the world of stories. Imagination. Animals, insects and creatures and fairy tales. The world of story is so beautiful. Today we are going to do a story of a spider called Dinky. Say hi to Dinky. Hello Dinky, how are you today? Well, Franz, I'm good. How about you? We are fine, Dinky. Oh, you have so many legs. Wow. What do you do, Dinky? I make a web. Do you want to come in my web? No, we are happy here. Should we sing a song for Dinky? Let's do that. Come on. Can we have a thumb out and an index finger out and we make a spider? Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well, Dinky was a spider who would live in a deep, dark cave. Can you see the cave here? This is the entrance of the cave. This is where Dinky would live. He would crawl all day around, up the cave, on the trees, down the cave, and around. One day, Dinky was sitting, and you know what happened? There came a grasshopper. And grasshopper was hopping by. And Dinky tried to catch him. But he went hopping, 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 hopping. And Dinky was sad. And then after some time, there came a bee. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Dinky tried to catch the bee. But the bee buzzed away. Now Dinky was hungry. And then he started thinking. He started thinking and thinking and thinking. Can we all think? Let's think, 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 think. And he got an idea. You know what did he do? He thought, I will make a web. So he created a web in the deep dark cave. And he started making a web. And now the web was ready. And he came out of the cave and sat nicely. There he saw some flies. The flies were flying by. One of the flies said, "Hello, Mr. Spider. Who are you?" The spider said, "I am Dinky. And this is where I live." The fly shooed away. And she said, "Well, Mr. Spider, today you are not in the mood to catch us." And Dinky said, "No, it's my birthday today. Why don't you go in the cave and have some yummy sweets?" The fly said no. And then there was one more fly who was flying around. She said, "Why should we try inside and have some sweets?" The fly said, "Yes, why not?" So they flew inside the cave. Then there was an old fly. He was flying up and down with the dragonfly up and down, and they were waiting out the cave for the flies to come back. But they did not come back. So the fly went to Dinky and said, "You spider, what have you done? Where are my friends?" And Dinky said, "Well, I don't know. It's my birthday and they must be eating their sweets. They must have got greedy." And the old fly said, "No, you have made a trap, Mr. Stranger." And so the old fly flew away. He did not come back and escape the cave. Then when Dinky went inside, he saw so many insects trapped inside his web. And he went inside and said, "Ha ha ha! Greed is not bad, and you trusted a stranger. The moral of this story is never be greedy and never trust a stranger." Kids, did you understand? You should never trust a stranger. The insects trusted Dinky, who was a stranger to them, and they were greedy because they wanted to eat lots of sweet, and they went inside and got trapped in the web. So we must never trust a stranger and neither be greedy.